Hello friends, welcome all of you in my YouTube channel Rudra Study Circle. In this video, I am going to explain LU decomposition method for solving system of linear equation. So let us have Ax equal to B is the given system of linear equation where A is the coefficient matrix, X is the known variable and B is the known variable. So in this method what we do, this A given A matrix we can decompose it in the product of lower triangular matrix and upper triangular matrix. For the reference, let me tell what is the lower triangular matrix. That is the A1100, A21, A220 and A31, A32, A33. So this is called lower triangular matrix. And similarly we can have upper triangular matrix. We can have 0, A11, A12, A13, 0, A22, A23 and 0, 0, A33. So this is called upper triangular matrix. So we'll try to write this A matrix in product of lower triangular matrix and upper triangular matrix. Then we can solve easily LU x equal to B. So LU x equal to B. Let us have Ux equal to Y. So Ly equal to B. So this is again system of linear equation here, but here coefficient matrix is the lower triangular matrix. So you can see if lower triangular matrix means directly we can get the answer X here. From the first row X we can get, from second row we can get Y, from third row we can get the Z. So when coefficient matrix is the lower triangular matrix, so we can directly get the answer. So here we get the Y from LU equal to, and once you get the Y, so we will substitute Ux equal to Y here and get the X from here. So again this is again system of linear equation where U is the upper triangular matrix. So when coefficient matrix is upper triangular matrix, directly we can get the answer. First we can get from the third variable, then second variable, then the first variable. So let us see with one example how this method works. The question is given, solve the system of linear equation using LU decomposition method. The first equation we have x1 plus x2 plus x3 equal to 1, 4x1 plus 3x2 minus x3 equal to 6, 3x1 plus 5x2 plus 3x3 equal to 4. So your coefficient matrix A is here 1, 1, 1, 4, 3 minus 1, 3, 5, 3, and X is the x1, x2, x3 and B equal to 1, 6, 4. So your system of linear equation is Ax equal to B. So what we do, this given A matrix 1, 1, 1, 4, 3 minus 1, 3, 5, 3 equal to, let us try to write product of lower triangular matrix L11 0, 0, L21, L22 0 and L31, L32, L33. This is the lower triangular matrix, and upper triangular matrix we can have 1, U12, U13, 0, 1, U23, 0, 0 and 1. See this 1, 1, 1, this you can have in the lower triangular matrix also, but in that case here you write the U11, U22, U33. Okay, so now you have to simplify this matrix and get the value of unknowns L11, L21, L22. So let us see. So your first row will be L11, L11 U12 and L11 U13. Second row will be L21, L21 U12 plus L22, and third row L21 U13 plus L22 U23. Third row L31 and L31 U12 plus L32, and third one L31 U13 plus L32 U23 plus L33. So if you compare both the matrix, so we get the 9 equations. So 9 equation, and how many unknowns we have? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 9 equation, 9 unknowns. So let us see that equation. What are the equation we are getting? So first equation will get the L11 equal to 1. Fine. Second equation we get L11 U12 equal to 1, and third equation we get L11 U13 equal to 1. Fine. Third equation we get L21 equal to 4, and fifth equation we get L21 U12 plus L22 equal to 3, and then we can have L21 U13 plus L22 U23 equal to 1, then L31 equal to 3, L31 U12 plus L32 equal to 5, and last equation L31 U13 plus L32 U23 plus L33 equal to 3. So here we have 9 equation, and these are we can solve easily and find the value of all the unknowns. So if you solve all 9 equation, so we get the solution of that equation. L11 equal to 1 we get, L21 equal to 4, L31 equal to 3, L21 equal to 1, U13 equal to 1, L22 equal to -1, L32 equal to 2, and U23 equal to 5, and L33 equal to -10. Okay, so these are the value of unknowns. Then we can have now your L matrix. Your L matrix will be 1 0 0 4 -1 0 and 3 2 -10, and your U matrix will be 1 1 1 0 1 5 0 0 1. So let us see how we solve using this L and U matrix. Now your A matrix AX equal to B system reduce in the L U X equal to B. So L U X equal to B, so L Y equal to B, where U X equal to Y. So L Y, so let us have what is the L? L equal to 1 0 0 4 -1 0 3 2 -10, and Y1 Y2 Y3 equal to B. So your B vector is 1 6 4. So from here we can see your Y1 equal to 1, and second equation 4Y1 minus Y2 equal to 6, and third equation 3Y1 plus 2Y2 minus 10Y3 equal to 4. So directly we can solve and we can get the answer. Your Y1 Y2 Y3 equal to 1 -2 -1/2. So this is your Y1 Y2 Y3. Now once we get the Y, So we can solve ux equal to y. Fine. Ux equal to y. So your U matrix is 1 1 1 0 1 5 0 0 1 U, and x1 x2 x3 equal to 1 minus 2 minus 1 by 2. So from here directly we can get x3 equal to minus half. Fine. Second equation, x2 plus 5 x3 equal to minus 2, and third equation we can get x1 plus x2 plus x3 equal to 1. So this is called the back substitution. First we get x3, then we get x2, then we get x1 from here. And when we have lower matrix, then this is called the forward substitution. First we get the y1, then y2, then y3. So if you solve these three equations, so we get x1 equal to 1, x2 equal to 1 by 2, and x3 equal to minus half. So this is a solution of system of linear equation using LU decomposition. Thank you.